Power was out in the region south of Wilshire Boulevard and west of La Cienega following a transformer blew, SKY9 Stumendel reports. The outage affected approximately 2,870 customers, based on lab officials. Power was expected to be restored by 10:30 p.m.
Miracle Mile, Tbisla, lab crews were working to restore power to thousands of consumers from the Miracle Mile and West Hollywood areas Wednesday night as high winds whipped through Southern California. A spokesperson for the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department's West Hollywood station said shortly before 10 p.m. wind also brought a power line down in WeHo at Dix Street and Hammond St. Power was knocked out in the surrounding area. It was not immediately clear when service would be restored.